They call it the Great Unretirement.
Keep working, no breaks.
Going back to work after 60.
You will work until I say stop.
What the?
But let's be brutally honest. Our minds are sharp, but our knees aren't 25 anymore. We cannot, and should not, go back to jobs that require standing for 8 hours or lifting heavy boxes. If you need extra income, but your body says slow down, you are in the right place. Today, I'm sharing realistic, low physical strain ways to make money after retirement. Welcome back to your 100-year companion. Your 100-year companion. Guiding you through life's journey together.
The reality check. Why are we going back to work?
Before we talk about how to make money, let's talk about why so many of us are looking for work again.
You worked hard for 40 years. You finally retired. And now you have to work again. It feels unfair, right? But there are two very real reasons happening right now. First, the financial reality. We are on fixed incomes, but the world is not on fixed prices. Have you looked at your grocery bill lately? Inflation is eating away at our retirement savings. The math simply doesn't add up like it used to. We need a financial cushion just to feel secure.
Second, the health reality.
They say use it or lose it. And it's true. I have seen so many friends retire, sit on the couch, and suddenly their health declines. They get sick or they get depressed from sheer boredom. We need a reason to wake up in the morning. We need mental stimulation without breaking our backs.
My students are really engaged today,
That's wonderful. My orders are up.
and my granddaughter is thriving.
I want to pause here for just a moment. We have a community of incredibly wise and experienced people watching this video right now. And I want us to use that collective wisdom. Take a second to think about this. Have you found a clever way to make a little extra income that doesn't break your back? Or maybe you have a great idea for a low-stress side hustle that we haven't talked about yet.
I encourage you to lean in and join me in this moment. Your participation is what makes this special.
Pause the video right now, scroll down to the comments, and share your good ideas or experiences. What worked for you might be the exact lifeline someone else is looking for today. Let's build a brainstorming hub down there. I'll be reading and highlighting your best ideas.
The recommendations. 5 low-strain jobs.
All right, let's get into the practical solutions. If you want to protect your joints, keep your mind sharp, and still make good money, here are 5 realistic ways to do it. And yes, these options work in both the United States and Canada.
Number 1. The online conversational partner.
You don't need to be a grammar teacher. People all over the world just want to practice speaking English with a fluent speaker.
Hello, how's your day going?
Pretty good, thanks. And yours?
Very well. The weather's nice here.
Glad to hear it.
You just sit at your computer, drink your tea, and have conversations. Where to find it? Websites like Cambly and Proply are fully available in the US and Canada. You get paid by the minute or hour just to chat.
Number 2. Passive income through your assets.
This requires absolutely zero physical labor because your space does the work for you. Since the kids moved out, do you have an empty room, an unused garage, or even an empty driveway? You can rent that space out for people who need storage or parking.
Where to find it?
The app Neighbor is huge in the US for renting out storage space, and platforms like Spacer work great in both the US and Canada for parking spots. It is a fantastic way to make money without lifting a finger.
On many campuses, community roles provide a low-stress way to give back.
Number 3. Low-stress community roles.
If you want to get out of the house and be respected in your community without any heavy lifting, look into these 2 roles. First, a test proctor or invigilator in Canada. Local colleges and certification centers need reliable people to monitor exams. Second, a notary public, with a small fee and a short certification process. People will come to you to get official documents signed, and you charge a fee per document.
Let's take a look at how this works. I'll show you the key steps.
For a test proctor or invigilator in Canada, check your local college or university website under Careers. You can also apply through testing companies like Pearson VUE or Prometric, or search Test Proctor on Indeed. For a notary public in the US, apply through your state government website. It usually requires a small fee and simple certification. In Canada, look into becoming a commissioner for oaths through your provincial government. These are respected, low-strain community roles that don't require heavy lifting.
Number 4. Low-impact house sitting.
I'm not talking about walking large dogs that pull your arms out. I mean house sitting where you literally just stay in a neighbor's nice home while they are on vacation. You bring in the mail, water the plants, and keep the house secure. Where to find it? The app Rover or Trusted House Sisters are incredibly popular across North America. It's zero heavy lifting, and it's actually a nice little staycation.
Number 5. Remote customer support.
Many companies actually prefer hiring seniors for customer service because we have patience. We know how to talk to people and solve problems calmly, unlike some younger generations. You can answer emails or phone calls right from your living room sofa. Where to find it? Check out Flex Jobs or Upwork available in US and Canada and filter specifically for remote and part-time roles.
I earned this money. What should I do with it? So many possibilities.
I can't wait for them to see these.
Me too, especially the little one.
Yeah, he's gonna love it.
You have worked incredibly hard for the last 40 years. You have already paid your dues. If you decide to go back to work or start a side hustle today, it should never mean breaking your back or sacrificing your health. It should be about finding a new sense of purpose, staying mentally sharp, and adding a comfortable financial cushion to your life on your terms. Always remember, your decades of life experience are highly valuable. You don't need to do heavy lifting to prove your worth. If any of these 5 ideas were helpful to you today, or if this video simply gave you a little peace of mind, please hit that like button. It is a free way to support this channel and help this video reach other seniors who might be worrying about their finances right now.
Join your 100-year companion, a community of wise, resilient people.
Also, don't forget to scroll down and read the comments. Our viewers are sharing some brilliant, low-stress job ideas down there. Take care of your health, know your worth, and I will see you in the next video.